Hello all, I'm Atmaling Naranpure. Many of you know me as Darshan. I would like to share my experience and wants to guide the aspiring engineering students who wants to and who are looking for a engineering career. It's a stage where parents as well as students are worried about their career due to COVID. They are having confusions, tensions over a mind. So I'm sure this will help you and guide you for the same. I'm a BE Mechanical and proud alumnus of MS Bidu Engineering College from 2008 batch pass out, and postgraduate from manufacturing process engineering. I got a campus placement from college and at the Precision Automation and Robotics India Limited in Pune. My journey starts from automobile mechanic to the entrepreneur, and now I'm a CEO of one of the company. Academically, till 10th, I was marginally average student, so almost have cleared my mathematics and science at a border level. I feel success doesn't find you. You need a high amount of focus, commitment, and consistency to achieve your success. After 10th, I was the merit students for 12th, diploma topper, and finished my engineering with distinction. I know that many students or their parents are selecting a metro city for better placement and career opportunity. No dear, I strongly say that currently I am very closely working with many engineering colleges from metro cities as well as from industry also. Nowadays, companies have started online recruitment process, and no one see your face. Even you need to apply online, and you will get it most of your rounds from the interview digitally. Most important is what skills you have, knowledge, and your attitude. And I strongly believe you need to improve your understanding and creativity for the same. And I strongly say that you will never get the experienced teacher about this. I will share some background on this. So last 12 years I work with almost 400 plus different companies on design automation, standardization, KBE projects. I also published a few international journal papers on it, and represented SolidWorks on various international events. Work with almost many directors, many IITians, technical design experts, Dassault CEO, president of Dassault, all many management members, and participated in various international events, worked for USA for some time, then in Gulf countries also. I'm a certified SolidWorks expert and CAD, FEA, and international presentation professional. I work for almost 400 plus different application on CAD, KB, and design automation solution. So initially, I want to take the admission for Pune, because being a diploma topper, I can get any of the government colleges. But I took admission for MS Bidu Engineering College. The reason behind this, yes, I'm from Latur, as well as not having that much of sound economical background. So this, I think, selecting MS Bidu Engineering College, it was the one of the biggest decision, because when I was passed out in 2008, it was a recession period. It's a big recession, and still I got the campus placement through college in Pari Robotics, Pune, and mainly it is in mechanical design. So thanks to all my teachers, non-teaching staffs, especially all the mechanical department, for providing the knowledge, skill sets, and improving. They always improve the technical skills of the students. I also like to special thanks to Mantri sir. He's my project guide. He used to be discuss with my parents regularly during academic, even till now also. Giving me a continuous motivation to do something something great, something different. I also like to thanks Dharne sir, Swami sir, Pulge sir, Kasbe sir, even Sagre sir, those who are giving me a continuous motivation during my engineering. Special thanks to Kattur sir. Even now I am in touch with Tandre sir, Biradar sir for because they are the people when I was started a company. They are in continuously guiding me for the same. I would like to specially highlight about the training and placement cell. I already told you that I am now in touch with various colleges and industry. Already have an industry expert touch up. So I'm interacting with training and placement cell and especially Pedesar and his team, and the way they are started connecting with the various alumnus on various platform. It's then really awesome, and many freshers will get very good job opportunities for the same. So I strongly recommend the MSW Engineering College is the best choice for you people. Thank you for providing an opportunity to talk. Thank you.